Hello, my name is Max. This is NoCodeNerd, and welcome to episode 18. We're talking about Webflow, possibly one of my favorite tools. I know I say that about like a lot of tools, but I have a lot of favorites. Webflow is incredible. It basically is the most powerful website development tool that I've ever seen, and I've seen a lot of these things. There's literally like 80 of them on the internet. So this is Webflow. Just a little kind of introduction right here. Very simple. If you do want to get started building like enterprise level, fully developed websites, I always tell people, I tell a lot of students, if you scroll down on webflow.com, the link should be somewhere around here. You click the little university tab here. There's a beautiful series of videos, massive database of videos on how to use the tool. It has a learning curve. It takes about 2 weeks, an hour a day, 2 hours a day to really learn how to use it effectively. But if you spend those 2 weeks learning for an hour a day, I would actually genuinely call you an intermediate to advanced level web developer. Like I built my entire website myself, entrepreneur.blog, on Webflow, and it has like a beautiful little system. It's not designed super cutely. Like I still need to know design elements, but like the SEO on my site is amazing. It's structured beautifully. I've been able to embed things, and it's answered everybody's questions. I'm really happy with it. You can see I can open the designer right here and kind of show you what it looks like. Webflow is a crazy powerful tool. It does have a learning curve, but if you want to get really good at building websites, Webflow is the tool for you. It's just an incredible, amazing piece of work. And I would highly recommend university.webflow.com. It's just a great resource. You will learn everything you need to know. Just start futzing with the tool. Anytime you have an issue, Google how do I do this in Webflow, and a YouTube video that answers your question will pop up, probably from Webflow University. So if you want to get into web development, check out Webflow. If you have any questions on what you can do with this tool, drop them in the comments. Hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next episode.